How to create Target account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Target. Target is a major American retail corporation known for its wide range of products including clothing, electronics, home goods, groceries and many more. If you want to create an account on Target, first of all you need to open any web browser on a device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, on the search bar, you need to type target.com. Once I've entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. And within a while, now you will be taken to the official website of Target. Once you reach to this interface, here you need to follow the general steps. First of all, you need to click on the sign in button at the top, and once you click on this sign in, this right panel will appear. From this section, you need to click on this create account. Once you click on this create account, now you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to enter your information. In this first box, here you need to enter your email address. After entering email address, in the second box, enter your first name. In the third box, enter your last name. And if you want to add your mobile number, you can add it, but this one is optional. You may also choose not to enter your mobile number here. But if you like to add your mobile number, you can enter your number here. Now after that, you need to click on this create password. Here you need to create a strong and unique password for your Target account. Also make sure your password meets all the criteria presented below. Now after entering the password, if you want to reveal the password and check if you have entered the correct one or not, you can click on this show button at the right side and reveal it. Now after doing that, if you want to keep yourself signed in after creating your account for future logins, then you may click on this box right here. If not, you can leave it as it is. Now after you enter all the information, here scroll down and click on this create account button. And once you click on that create account, here you can see you will reach to this page. Here you may also add birthday if you want, but this one is also optional. When you scroll down, now here click on maybe later. And once doing that, you can see you have successfully created an account on Target. At the top here you can click on this profile icon and view your profile. So by following these steps, you should be able to register or create an account on Target. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.